get up on your feet. What you need to do is catch up with them. Bounce, man, get up on your feet and help me get it.
Luxury ingredients such as steak and lobster may seem out of reach for cooks on a budget, but now a magazine has revealed how you can enjoy premium dishes without racking up enormous grocery bills. BBC Good Food magazine has shared 3 restaurant-worthy meals with Female Food and drink that you can make at home for as little as £1. £40 a serving, with each dish costing less than £3.15 to cook. From a steak and chips pie to indulgent lobster mac and cheese, these recipes, which all feed 6 people, contain premium ingredients that would normally blow your budget. But by buying cheaper cuts of meat such as braising steak and supplementing them with frozen items, you can substantially reduce the cost involved in whipping up a gourmet meal. BBC Good Food cuts the cost of pricey steak and chips by turning this classic dish into a pie that feeds 6 people. The recipe authors suggest using cheap braising steak or topside of beef to reduce the price to just £2. £90 a serving. The magazine's writers also managed to slash the cost of expensive lobster by buying a frozen one for just £6 and using it in a filling pasta dish. It also recommends padding out the meal with cheaper crab meat to add more fishy flavor. These tricks will reduce the cost of a normally pricey lobster mac and cheese dish to just £3. £15 a serving. The cheapest luxury recipe the magazine has shared with Female is an extravagant pistachio souffle with homemade ice cream, which costs just £1. £40 a serving. The magazine recommends finding the greenest pistachio paste you can find for the recipe